Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, another lection. And in this video, I want to get your attention to two most important Russian verbs, to like and to love. In this video, we're gonna go over the conjugation, and I'm gonna guys give you the explanation, differences of using them, and also the examples. So if you're interested in watching this video, keep watching it and let's get started. So guys, first before we start talking about differences between two of those, I want to go over the conjugation and teach you. So the first one is to love, любить. It's going to be used in the accusative case. It means that it answers the questions to whom and what. So let's start. Я люблю, я люблю. I love. Ты любишь. Ты любишь. You love. Он, она любит. Он, она любит. He or she loves. Мы любим. Мы любим. We love. Вы любите. Вы любите. You guys love, or formal way of saying it. And the last one, они любят. Они любят, they love. Good. And also the next one is to like, and in this context, direct translation would be to be pleasing to someone, and it's used in dative case. So let's start. Я нравлюсь. Я нравлюсь. I'm pleasing to someone. Ты нравишься. Ты нравишься, which is you're pleasing to someone else. Он, она нравится. Он, она нравится. He or she is pleasing to someone else. Мы нравимся. Мы нравимся. We're pleasing to someone else. Вы нравитесь. Вы нравитесь. Plural or formal, you're pleasing to someone. And они нравятся. Они нравятся. They're pleasing to someone else. So guys, now that we know the conjugation of those two, I want to start by comparing them. So the first one, case of using those would be attraction. That's how I called it. And here's the example. Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю. And ты мне нравишься. Ты мне нравишься. So the first one implies how strong your feelings are to this or that person. And the second one is, I don't know, maybe I like her character, but that's it. Maybe like, let's say my feelings are like, I still don't know about my feelings towards her. Probably it's growing, but it's not like I'm feeling in love. Or you can also say, я люблю этого писателя, но его новая книга мне не нравится. Я люблю этого писателя, но его новая книга мне не нравится. So guys, here it's clear as well. You love this writer, like you love the way he is, but the book that he wrote apparently didn't appeal to me. The second one, case of using these two would be while talking about clothes. So when we're talking about clothes, like almost never ever we will say that we love the clothes. We would say to like in Russian, нравится. So for example, мне нравятся эти джинсы. Мне нравятся эти джинсы. And the second one, мне нравится это платье. Мне нравится это платье. Guys, as I said, it just really depends on the context, how you use them. You could of course say я люблю это платье, but it would mean that it's either this dress is like madly expensive, or maybe it comes from some famous brand, I don't know, things like that. But in most of the cases, we're just gonna use to like. Нравится, for example, yeah, as I said again, мне нравятся эти джинсы, мне нравится это платье. Or you can say, мне нравится моя футболка. Simply. Next one is talking about food. Again, guys, we will just use to love, любить. We almost never use to like, нравится, while talking about food. So one of such examples would be я люблю молоко. Я люблю молоко. And the next one would be я люблю этот суп. So я люблю молоко. Я люблю этот суп. Guys, however, you could always say, you could also say here, мне не нравится этот суп. Мне не нравится этот суп. But in this context, it would mean that maybe the soup is too salty, or maybe it has like, let's say, some high portion of fatness in it, and you simply don't like it. Мне не нравится этот суп. The last one is for first impressions, and after these, guys, I'll give you a few fixed expressions how to use любить и нравиться in different expressions. So first impressions. First one. Мне нравится, как она выглядит. Мне нравится, как она выглядит. So for example, you just saw a new girl, I don't know, and you just looking at her, and you will not say я люблю, как она выглядит. It's not gonna be fine. You will say мне нравится, как она выглядит. Next one. Мне нравится твоя машина. Мне нравится твоя машина. Guys, you can't really say я люблю твою машину. That's not gonna be correct. However, here's the thing. You can say я люблю мою машину. Why? Because you take care of it, you wash it, you love it, and you like, I don't know if we can say like, it became like a part of our family, it drives us around, and it's always with us. So that's a good example. Here we can say я люблю мою машину, but you cannot say, let's say to your friend, я люблю твою машину. It's not gonna be that good. So guys, that's it. And also in the end, I want to give you a few fixed expressions with любить и нравиться. For example, you can say я люблю слушать музыку. Я люблю слушать музыку. You can say мне нравится слушать музыку too. Мне нравится слушать музыку. But it's gonna be something different. It would mean that you like listening to music to some specific period of time. Let's say maybe you're feeling sad, or you're just not feeling good. Or for example, you like listening to music at night or in the morning. Another one would be мне нравится гулять. Мне нравится гулять. So again, it would mean that you like walking at some specific places. Let's say, I don't know, like by the beach, like, or maybe some, I don't know, some specific places that you like. But if you say, я люблю гулять, я люблю гулять, it's gonna be something general, not specific. It's gonna be Я люблю гулять. I like walking like always. Let's say this way. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel for new videos. I'm gonna be uploading regularly and we see guys each other soon. So it was nice teaching you and see each other next time, guys. Пока!